Tamarind is a fruit known for its delightful combination of sour and sweet flavors. Thailand is the second largest producer of tamarind. Produces roughly 30% of the global supply, estimated around 140,000 tons annually. Tamarind is a perennial tree that can be grown from seeds and start producing fruit after about 6 to 8 years of growth. Farmers often prefer marcoting, also known as air layering, by encouraging the growth of roots on a branch while it is still attached to the parent plant. This method allows trees to bear fruit at a younger age compared to trees grown from seeds. Harvesting usually occurs during the dry season, which often falls between January and April. Farmers inspect the tamarind trees to identify ripe tamarind pods and harvest manually. Farm workers reach up into the tamarind tree and hook the mature pods, cut them off the branches. The harvested tamarind pods will be laid out on flat surfaces to dry. Drying the tamarind pulp helps preserve it for longer periods by reducing the moisture content and prevent the growth of mold. Once the tamarind pulp is adequately dried, they will be depuded and ready for packaging. Tamarind is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various ways. It can be consumed as a coated sugar snack and is also a common ingredient in cooking. The packaged tamarind products are distributed to local markets, grocery stores, and may also be exported to international markets.